Babatiin ko lang ng advance happy birthday yung isa pang may birthday sa March 16. Kay Ma'am Tess Biscocho o kay Ma'am Marites Biscocho. Ma'am Tikya, happy birthday in advance. Alam ko namang busy kayo parate. So, sa araw ng birthday mo, kahit weekend yun, alam ko busy ka pa rin kasi siyempre, alam ko namang hindi kayo nawawala ng trabaho dyan. So, napadaan lang para bumati ng happy birthday. More birthdays to come and congratulations sa achievement mo as a mother kasi dalawa na ata ang college mo ngayon at si Bunso papunta na rin doon. So, yun palang achievement na yun as a mother. So, napadaan lang, more birthdays to come. Happy birthday in advance and God bless. Sana okay lang kayo dyan parate.